Today I'm going to make codfish fritters, alternatively known as saltfish fritters. I know you can hear the rain. It's raining in the hills of Kingston, St. Andrew, Jamaica. Kingston, Jamaica. The ingredients are 1/4 pound of codfish, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 garlic cloves smashed, 1 teaspoon of parsley, dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 stalk of scallion. We're going to strip it and dice it, and a quarter cut of Scotch bonnet pepper, and half a teaspoon of thyme. It's optional, thyme leaf. Now this is 1/4 pound of codfish, salt fish. You can put this to boil, or you can remove the skin before you put it to boil. I like to remove the skin before I put it to boil, so just like that, find the skin, just remove that. And that's it. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, put to boil the codfish in enough water to cover it. Cover it slightly. Cover it slightly. Put the stove's gauge on 4. Open the pot's lid halfway, such as. This took 8 minutes. Turn the stove off and remove the codfish. Debone the codfish. We're going to mince it and debone it. Now mince it. Mince it to small pieces. Crush, smash the garlic. Dice the green onion or the scallion. This is how we used to cook in Jamaica. We just love to hold the food like this and just tear the food. To me, I don't really do that. I do this. I used to do that. A 1/4 piece of pepper. That's half. Now a 1/4. remove the seeds and dice this. Now to a bowl or container, add the codfish, add the seasoning, add the parsley, add the quarter teaspoon of basil, a quarter teaspoon of parsley, and a quarter teaspoon of grounded black pepper. Grounded black pepper. Stir in. Add the flour. 2 cups of flour and half teaspoon of baking powder. Stir in. Add the water, 1 cup of water, portion it, 1 cup of water. And this is how the dough should look. You should be able to give it a drop like that. See, just stir that in. This is how the dough should look. Put to eat a frying pot. After 1 minute, add the oil. Add the oil, 1/4 cup. Oh, and put your stove on high. Put the stove's gauge on very high, the highest you can ever put it. Now, after 2 minutes or until you see a little smoke, start to drop your drops. You want to get a spoonful, a small spoonful, and drop. You can use your finger to go. And try and keep them apart. Or keep them apart. At least a 1/4 inch apart. Keep them like that. In this pot I put 5. So after 2 minutes, or until it starts to get a golden brown around the sides, start flipping the first one. 2 minutes is in 30 seconds. Just let it stay on one side. Don't ever flip it, just let it stay. Like this now, you see this one almost ready. That's how chefs, that's how we like to play in a pot sometimes, but you should just leave it, let it cook, let it fry. Now after 2 minutes, you just start removing them. See, this method of cooking is not going to suck the oil up. That's why I told you to put your stove on very high. It's very important. And let's do the second batch. This sound the day monta with in small that. This is the don't just or you don't stop even. Don't miss board. That's when you get about 15 minutes. Codfish fritters or saltfish fritters. We got 12 fritters. I was about to take a taste to see if I was worth anything, and I said no, wait, let me wait until you guys can witness it. So for the first time I want to find one of these to break. Wow, see that? Look at that, look. Wow. This tastes real good. If you follow my recipe, you can't go wrong. Saltfish fritters, alternatively known as codfish fritters, alternatively called codfish fritters.